Hey, what's up? You know who it is. It is Selly, and we are talking more about SeaKeepers. Why are we talking about SeaKeepers? We got a deal going for you guys. You book with us by July 16th, 2021. We'll give you a silver warranty. That means 2 extra years on your warranty. It's a total of 4 years of warranty on your SeaKeeper unit. We will also give you a discount on the install of your SeaKeeper. So, thinking about doing it? Hit us up, sales@navtronics.com. We'd love to talk to you, discuss the project for you, and see what we can do to get your boat to stop rocking and rolling and get out there and enjoy more time on the water. So, SeaKeeper, extra 2 years warranty, sales@navtronics.com. Love to talk to you. Let's make something work.